So now, class, we're going to talk about joint variation. This is where a quantity varies directly as the products of two or more quantities. So direct variation is y equals kx. So this is still going to be a direct relationship, but now instead of just one quantity on the right side, there may be two or more quantities. So that's where we get the equation y equals kxz. So there's two quantities or more that are having an effect on the other quantity. But everything is still going to be the same direction. As one increases, everything else increases as well. So we have our equation y equals kxz. So it says y varies jointly as x and z. So again, this sentence sets up our equation. If we know it varies jointly with two other letters, we're going to use this. So y varies, which means y equals jointly k is multiplied by x and z. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find y when x equals 8 and z equals 3. Well, we can't do this yet. We'll do this later. We first have to find the constant of variation. So to find the constant of variation, we got to use this second sentence right here. It says y equals 16 when x equals 2 and z equals 5. So let's now solve for k. We have 16 equals 10k, because 5 times 2 is 10. So then k would equal 8 fifths. K equals 16 divided by 10, which is 8 fifths. So if we know that our constant is 8 fifths, now we can find y in this sentence that we're going to do now. So if y equals kxz, find y when k is 8 fifths multiplied by 2, multiplied by 8 and multiplied by 3 times 8 times 3. So just multiply all three of those in your calculator and you're going to get 192 fifths, or as a decimal, you're going to get 38.4. 38.4. So there is our answer for problem number 3. You guys pause the video, please, and try number 4 on your own. For number 4, again, you get this first sentence, y varies jointly as x and z. So y equals kxz. Find y, so we're going to do this part later again, where we know what y is in this sentence. So y is 12 when k is multiplied by 8 and 3. So 12 equals 24k is what you should have got. And so k would then equal 12 over 24, which is a half. So now we're going to find y. Y equals k times x times z. Half of 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. Half of 50 is 25. So you should have got y equals 25 for problem number 4. Let me know if you have any questions on joint variation when you get to class tomorrow.